Hi guys and boys, welcome back to Fine Art Garage Night. Tonight we're going to do some painting on the car. I've already done the engine bay, which I've recorded, and so I've just got it all masked off, all degreased, tack ragged, so paint's already mixed, so let's get on with it. Right, boys and girls, that's us done now. Let's go and have a look at the car, shall we? Oh. Yeah, I just stuck the bump on to see what it was like. So there's the engine bay. Not too bad at all. I must have one confession. I've got one run, and it's right in there. I don't know if you can see that at the bottom there. That's the only run I've got on the whole car. So I'll probably leave it now for a good week or so before I do anything regarding wet and wet sand it and polish it. So I've just got the inside to do now. Finish painting that off in there. I won't be using any Raptor, nothing like that in there, because obviously because of the fumes, even though it dries, it still gives off toxic fumes. So you've got to watch that stuff. So just be careful with that. So it's looking not too bad. And then the deck, I'm going to paint that as well. I wasn't quite sure what to do with that, if to do it in the same colour as the car. I probably will. I thought it would be black, but I don't think black will go very well. I'll just keep it the same colour as the car. So yeah, so she's looking not too bad. Looking good. I must admit, I'm happy with that, like really happy with that. So as you can see, I've got the tailgate now on the bench. Well, on 2 bits of wood on the trestles, that and the bonnet to do, and just to sand down and paint those. The doors are lying over there, so they're ready to be sanded and painted as well. So yeah, it's not looking too bad. There's the roof. A couple of dust marks are just a bit there. There you can see that wee dust mark there. A couple. But that'll sand out, but I'm not really worried about that. So like I say, just got the inside to do now to finish off, to paint off and that, and get it all done. Yeah, so she's turned out alright. Turned out pretty good. Like I say, so I started that on Monday, so, and got it painted on Wednesday, so there's no way I'll get that done in one night. So I thought I'd do it a wee bit earlier and get it all done for you to have a look and see what you think. So like I say, I've got the bonnet to do, tailgate just to paint, and the doors. We can get all them on. I might leave the bonnet off, obviously for obvious reasons, because we've got the subframe to go in and engine, that sort of stuff. So yeah, it's exciting stuff, man. Exciting stuff. Looking forward to that. To my next project, well, that'll be either I was thinking maybe doing the engine the same colour as the car. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm in two minds about that at the moment. But I'm going to have to start just building stuff out that I've got, the suspension, that sort of stuff, because I've got so much stuff lying. I forgot what I've ordered. So over the next few weeks, it might be, a wee bit slow, getting the car back together, for those reasons. So on that note, I might start on another project, maybe not next week, but maybe the week after, and then just come back and forth to the pickup maybe once a fortnight. That way, obviously, I've got all the stuff together. We can get a good run at it, for that episode of the build. So so stay tuned with that. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. With the car so far. It's been a a fantastic journey, you know, from somebody called it a rust bowl, you know, when we first got it, and it's been fantastic. It has to be a fantastic build. I'm looking forward to the next one. Either be the Mark 1 Escort or the minivan, or might even do the two together. I don't know. You know, I have to wait and see on that. So on that note, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you again next week. Thanks very much. Bye for now. Bye bye.